Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired March 24th, 2025. The topic of that episode was How Oneness Overcomes Loneliness. Swami, your thoughts?
Knowing the self to be an expression of the indestructible principle brings the peace which transcends human understanding. There's nothing false in spiritual truth.
Looking to experience the one truth? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnasya